Hello, we are back with Apologia Science, Anatomy and Physiology. Today we'll be talking about the histology, physiology of the muscular system. So regarding muscle, we got three main types. We got skeletal muscle, we have cardiac muscle, and smooth muscle. Skeletal muscle, a good amount of it you can use voluntarily. So this would be like your thighs, your biceps. These are muscles that you can use voluntarily. They are also multinucleated, so they have multiple nuclei inside of them. So yeah, you can actually exercise some limited conscious control over these muscles, like the diaphragm, for example. So that will allow you to breathe. The nervous system has influence over that, so that allows you to breathe without thinking, so you don't have to always choose to breathe, you just kind of do it. But you can, of your own volition, sometimes you can just like choose to stop breathing, hold in your breath, and not choose to breathe for a little bit. So you also have cardiac muscle, which is only in your heart. That tissue is involuntary, so you can't choose how to operate it. Your heart just pumps, it's just moving. That is involuntary tissue. You cannot exercise conscious control over it. Then you also have smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is kind of like found in like your internal organs, your digestive, urinary, reproductive organs, so that they can do their job. Those are also involuntary. You can't really yeah, they're also involuntary. You can't really like choose to like stretch or like contract those yourself. So some other traits about like muscles, they have contractibility. That means that they can contract or shorten forcefully. So, and they also respond to a stimulus, right? So you have the nervous system, which tells your muscles to contract or extend. This also means that your muscles have excitability. That's what I was talking about, the stimulus. Your muscles also have excitability. They also have extensibility. That allows your muscles, they can also just stretch out. That's how movement works in the first place. You contract, you relax different muscles to allow yourself to move. Then lastly, your muscles, they also have elasticity. That means that when muscles are like extended, they tend to like recoil, they tend to come back at a shorter length. Like for example, if a muscle's tendon is accidentally cut, that muscle would somewhat shorten. That is some evidence that shows that that muscle tissue is pretty elastic. So yeah, thanks for tuning in.